Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub. Today, we'll take a closer look at the potential earnings from raising 100 Sasso chickens. Whether you're new to poultry farming or considering expanding your operation, understanding the financial aspects is essential. We'll break down the key factors that influence profitability and share practical tips to help you succeed. Let's get started on your journey to a more informed and profitable poultry business. Sasso chickens are renowned for their impressive growth rate, reaching market weight more quickly than many traditional breeds. They are also highly valued for their hardiness, adapting well to a variety of climates and farming conditions. This resilience makes them less susceptible to common poultry diseases, reducing the need for intensive care. These traits, combined with their efficient feed conversion, make Sasso chickens an excellent choice for farmers seeking a profitable and sustainable poultry operation. To begin raising 100 Sasso chicks, you'll need to consider several key expenses. The cost of the chicks themselves is the first major investment, typically calculated per chick and multiplied by the quantity you plan to purchase. In addition to the chicks, proper housing is essential to provide a safe and comfortable environment, which may involve constructing or modifying a shelter. Essential equipment such as feeders, drinkers, and heating sources are also necessary to support the chicks' health and growth. Factoring in these initial costs will help you prepare a comprehensive budget for your poultry venture. Raising Sasso chickens involves several ongoing expenses that are important to consider. Feed is typically the largest cost, as these birds require a balanced diet to grow and stay healthy. Water is another essential expense, ensuring the chickens remain hydrated and productive. Healthcare costs, including vaccinations and treatments for common poultry diseases, help maintain flock health. Additionally, labor costs for daily care, cleaning, and maintenance contribute to the overall investment required for successful Sasso chicken farming. To ensure your Sasso flock reaches its full potential, it's important to provide a balanced diet tailored to their growth stages. Start with high-protein starter feeds for chicks, gradually transitioning to grower and finisher feeds as they mature. Incorporate grains, legumes, and essential vitamins and minerals to support robust development and immune health. Fresh, clean water should always be available, and feeding schedules should be consistent to promote steady growth. By carefully managing nutrition, you can enhance both the productivity and overall well-being of your Sasso chickens. Sasso chickens are known for their efficient growth and adaptability to various farming systems. Typically, these birds reach market readiness between 8 to 12 weeks of age, depending on the specific strain and management practices. At the point of sale, Sasso chickens generally achieve an average live weight ranging from 1.5 to 2.5 kilograms. Their robust health and consistent growth rates make them a popular choice for both smallholder and commercial poultry producers. This predictable timeline allows farmers to plan production cycles and meet market demand effectively. Sasso chickens are valued for their hardiness and efficient meat production, making them a popular choice in many regions. Market prices for Sasso chickens can vary significantly depending on factors such as local demand, feed costs, and transportation expenses. In areas with high consumer demand and limited supply, prices tend to be higher. Additionally, regions with access to affordable feed and established distribution networks may offer more competitive pricing. Seasonal fluctuations and local farming practices also play a role in shaping the market value of Sasso chickens across different locations. To estimate the potential revenue from selling 100 Sasso chickens, we need to consider two scenarios: selling them live or as processed meat. If sold live, the price per chicken typically ranges from $5 to $7, depending on local market rates and the bird's weight. This means live sales could generate between $500 and $700 for 100 chickens. Alternatively, processing the chickens into meat often allows for a higher price per kilogram, but also involves additional costs for slaughtering and packaging. If each processed chicken yields about 1.5 kilograms of meat and sells for $4 per kilogram, the total revenue could reach around $600, not accounting for processing expenses. The choice between live sales and processed meat depends on market demand, available resources, and profit margins. After calculating all expenses involved in raising a batch of 100 Sasso chickens, including costs for chicks, feed, medication, and other operational expenses, we arrive at the total expenditure. By subtracting these expenses from the total revenue generated through the sale of the chickens, we determine the net profit for the batch. The break-even point is reached when the income from sales equals the total costs, meaning there is neither profit nor loss. Understanding these figures is crucial for assessing the financial viability of the poultry operation and planning for future growth. Beyond raising Sasso chickens for meat, there are several ways to generate extra income from your flock. Selling fresh eggs can provide a steady source of revenue, especially if your birds are good layers. Manure from the chickens is also valuable, as it can be sold to local farmers or gardeners as organic fertilizer. Additionally, you can explore creating value-added products such as smoked or marinated chicken or even homemade egg-based goods. Diversifying your offerings can help maximize the profitability of your Sasso operation. Maximizing profitability on your farm starts with efficient management. Streamline operations by monitoring input costs, optimizing resource use, and adopting technologies that save time and labor. Effective marketing strategies, such as identifying your target market and promoting your products through social media or local events, can help increase sales. Building strong relationships with customers through regular communication, loyalty programs, or farm tours encourages repeat business and positive word of mouth. By combining smart management, strategic marketing, and active customer engagement, you can enhance your farm's financial success. Sasso chicken farmers often encounter several challenges, including disease outbreaks, poor feed quality, and inadequate housing. These issues can lead to reduced growth rates and higher mortality among the flock. To address these problems, farmers are encouraged to implement regular vaccination programs and maintain strict hygiene in their poultry houses. Providing balanced, nutrient-rich feed and ensuring proper ventilation can also significantly improve the health and productivity of Sasso chickens. By adopting these practical solutions, farmers can enhance their operations and achieve better results. Raising 100 Sasso chickens can offer a promising source of income thanks to their rapid growth and strong market demand. With proper management, you can achieve impressive returns by selling both meat and eggs. The relatively low startup costs and scalability make poultry farming accessible for beginners and experienced farmers alike. By focusing on quality care and efficient operations, you can maximize your profits. Now is a great time to consider starting or expanding your poultry business to take advantage of these opportunities. Thank you for watching and taking the time to learn with us today. We value your thoughts, so feel free to share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Your input helps us create better content for everyone interested in smart agriculture. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to stay updated with more insights and innovations in the field.